So the first thing you need to do with this one before you get to painting is chop off the lid and the little flap of the egg box so that you're just left with the base. With those removed, it's now time to get painting. Now my little boy has decided he would like his pirate ship blue, so he's going to paint the whole thing inside and outside blue. Now, whilst we wait for this to dry, we are going to do our sails, and we might need to wash somebody's hands as well. Once your boat is dry, we're just going to stick the large stick or the straws into these holes at the top. And then those are going to be the masts for your sails. So we'll measure the sails using the size of those. My little boy's chosen lots of different colours for his sails, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the size of the mast and cut it that length, and then I'm going to measure the width of the boat and also cut it the same length. Once you've cut out your sails, we've gone for 2 different sizes, then you're ready to decorate. Decorating is always a lot of fun, and our sails have all ended up completely different. Now you just need to make holes in your sails.
Cheers.
Once you've got your holes in your sails, all you need to do is thread it through your straws at the bottom and at the top.